Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. This is Canon Pixima MG3650. I'm going to show you how to copy documents from this printer. Open up the scanner. Now place the document you want to copy to the scanner face down. Close it. Now you decide if you want to copy color or black. So if you want to copy color, you need to press this button here. Press it once for you to copy color document once. Okay, so this is the document we copied, color 1. Now we want to copy the second page, black. So it's select black. If we select it twice, we selected black twice, so we want to copy this document twice. So this is the first one, black. So this is the second one. So we copied this document 2 pages and copied color 1. So this is exactly how this works. You just need to press this button here once if you want to copy it color once. If you want to copy color twice, you need to press it twice. If you want to copy black twice, you need to 2 pages, you need to press this 2. Okay, so this is how to copy a document from Canon Pixima printer. Thank you very much.